Hey guys, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video showing you my DVD unboxing of The Karate Kid 1984. Yep, I got this at Dollar General yesterday for a price is $5. And top is the word special edition, and so. And this is stars Ralph Macchio as Daniel, and Pat Morita as Mr. Miyagi on there, as you can see. Good film, huh? So I can't wait to see Karate Kid Legends in theaters coming soon, right? So anyway, here's the front, and here's the spine, and of course the back. Special features which includes commentary with director John Avildsen, writer Robert Mark Kamen, and actors Ralph Macchio and Pat Morita. The Way of the Karate Kid, multi-part making a featurette, Beyond the Form featurette, East Meets West, A Composer's Notebook, A Life of Bonsai featurette. This is copyright 1984, Columbia Pictures Industries Inc., all rights reserved. Some of the information on the grid below may not apply to special features. Disc made in Mexico. Rated PG, and it's approx 127 minutes running time. Color and anamorphic widescreen. This is 1.851. That's released by Columbia Pictures and Sony Pictures Home Entertainment logo. Must be Easter special. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up right now. Okay, so here's the front once again, the spine once again, and of course the back once again. You can open this up. Here's the disc for the movie. And nope, sorry, there is no inserts on this DVD case. Okay guys, would like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye, and have a happy Easter everybody.